how to delete a folder Windows won't delete. And if you run into Windows cannot locate item location issues, I'll show you the solution that I found. Perhaps it may be helpful to you. Let's imagine this is the folder that Windows keeps saying item could not be located. Simply open the folder and press on the address bar and copy the path. And simply run this command. Delete path to folder area and paste the path that you copied. But make sure it's within double quotes, because that's the problem I've been having. Let's open up the command prompt. Now when I run that command, watch what happens to this folder. Are you sure? Yes. Now that folder is gone. So that's how you delete this item could not be located problem. So this is the command. Okay, but make sure it's within double quotes or you'll run into problems such as item location could not be located or specified location. I hope this helps.